This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Cynthia James. Welcome to this dream home located on a corner lot in the highly desirable Trailmark community. Step inside this meticulously designed home and be greeted by a bright and airy open floor plan, adorned with stylish finishes and flooded with natural light. The spacious living area overlooking the custom kitchen and open dining area is ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. The kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, walk-in pantry, pendant lighting, and oversized island with bar seating make it a chef's delight. The primary suite with 2 walk-in closets, and a luxurious en-suite bathroom, provides the perfect sanctuary for relaxation. 2 additional bedrooms and additional full bath offer versatility for a growing family, a home office, or a hobby space, ensuring that everyone has their own personal haven. Enjoy year-round pleasant weather in the low-maintenance yard. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, sipping your morning coffee, or simply basking in the sunshine, the outdoor space is designed to enhance your lifestyle and create lasting memories. Trailmark is renowned for the exceptional schools in the area. It also offers exceptional amenities and a vibrant community spirit. From the resort-style swimming pool and clubhouse, fitness center, picturesque walking trails that wind through the neighborhood, community kayak launch that opens to the street, Johns River, and scenic dog parks, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Don't miss your chance to make this captivating house your new home. Schedule a tour today and discover the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and convenience. For more information, review